Hello friends, today we'll learn solver. We have seen goal seek in our previous example. This is a bigger version of goal seek. In mathematics you might have learned the linear programming problem. Today I have taken one of those problems. Here we have two products x and y, and we have two machines A and B. If you remember linear programming problem in mathematics, we have requirements, we have availability, and we have constraints. So what we need is we want product X, the demand is 75 units, and product Y, the demand is 95 units. This is the availability of the X and Y products, and if we produce products using A and B machines, this is the time the respective product takes on those machines. But machine A is available for 2400 minutes and machine B is available for 2100 minutes. So we have mentioned here the requirement and the constraints. So X requirement should be greater than or equal to 45 is the difference between demand and availability. Similarly, for Y, we need to produce at least 5 units of Y. So we have mentioned constraints here. 50X plus 24Y should be less than 2400, and another constraint is 30X plus 33Y should be less than or equal to 2100. Let's see how to solve using solver. I will reset this and we'll see from the beginning. So similar to goal seek, we have to set the target cell. Our target cell is this. If you see the content of the cell, it's C21 plus D21, it's X plus Y. I have taken example as 1 unit of X and 2 units of Y. We have to maximize this by changing cells. These two cells we are assuming to be X and Y. We'll add the constraints. First constraint is this X should be greater than or equal to 0. Then we add another constraint, Y should be greater than or equal to 0. This is generally we add two constraints to be non-negative. We can also add non-negativity using this option, assume non-negative. We can add another constraint for this problem. It's X should be greater than or equal to 45 and Y should be greater than or equal to 5. Here you see 98 and 96. I already added the formula for 50x and 24y and 30x plus 33y. So we'll add directly the constraint. So value in this cell should be less than or equal to value in this cell. We'll add another constraint. So value in this cell should be less than or equal to value in this cell. Okay. When we click on solve, it will consider all the constraints and the requirement and it will solve the problem. So what we see is X can be produced as 45 units and Y can be produced as around 6 units. So it will maximize the demand based on the availability of the machines and the time.